Hey there, little creators. Are you ready for a super fun adventure with Scratch Junior? Today, we are starting something magical. In this video, we will meet friendly characters, explore super cool backgrounds, and discover how to use Scratch Junior. But first, let's talk about what we are going to do today. We will meet some super fun characters who will help us make awesome stories. We will find out about the backgrounds, the special places where our stories happen, and we will learn how to use Scratch Junior on our computer. So, get set for a world of imagination, creativity, and lots of fun. It's time to start our exciting journey. Let's go!
Hey there, all you young creators. Today we have got something super exciting to share with you. It's called Scratch Junior, and it's all about learning to code while having lots of fun. So, what's Scratch Junior? It's like a magical playground on your tablet or computer where you can make your own stories, games, and animations. We have to open the Scratch Junior desktop. So if we click on home, this is the home and this is the help. Now let us go to Scratch Junior and I will create a new project. So see all these colorful blocks on the screen. So instead of typing, you can use these blocks to tell the computer what to do. It's like playing a digital Lego. And guess what? You can create your own characters, give them funny names, colors, and personalities. It's like living your own cast of characters in a movie. Some character. So here we can see different characters. Isn't it amazing? So let us choose a character. So I have selected this child and we can delete. If you want to delete this one, we can just double click on it and cross it off. Okay, so this is our child. You can choose and customize backgrounds for your stories. You can make your projects unique and tell stories in your style. So let us change the background. So here we have different backgrounds over here. So let us take this one. So Scratch Junior lets you be the boss of your creativity. You can make animated stories about anything you want, become a game designer, or even tell your own adventure. Plus, you can draw your characters and scenes, which is super cool. It's like being a mini artist and storyteller at the same time. The Scratch Junior interface is user-friendly with colorful blocks and characters, making it easy for young kids to navigate and build their projects with minimal help. The block-based coding is a visual way to learn coding without even typing, making it accessible to small kids. So, let us go and find out the colorful blocks, the characters, and backgrounds in Scratch. So let us come here. So this is a quick interface guide. So this is the save button. So if we click on the home, we will save the current project and exit to the home page. The second is the stage part. So this is the actual stage where the action takes place for the project. To delete a particular character, we have to just press and hold it. And if we want to open it in a presentation mode, we have to click on this icon. If you want to toggle on and off the XY coordinate grid, so this is the XY coordinate grid. If we want to change backgrounds, we have to use this. We can select or create a background image for the stage. We can write titles and labels on the stage using this add text icon. We can reset all the characters to their starting positions on the stage, that is, drag the characters and set up new starting positions using this. So if we want to start all the programming scripts that begin with start on a green flag block by tapping it here. So if you click on the green flag, the program will start running. Pages. So we have to select among the pages in your project and tap the plus icon to add a new page. Each page has its own set of characters and background. To delete a page, you have to just press and hold it. To reorder the page, you have to drag them to new positions. Now this is undo and redo part. If you make a mistake, you can tap undo and go back here in time, reversing the last action. We can tap redo to reverse the last undo. So snap blocks together make a programming script telling the character what to do. Tap anywhere on the script to make it run. To delete a block or a script, drag it outside the programming area. Programming area. This is where you connect programming blocks to create scripts telling the character what to do. Blocks palette. So this is the menu of programming blocks. Drag a block into the programming area and then tap on it to see what it does. Block categories. Now this is where you can select a category of programming blocks, triggering blocks, yellow, motion blocks that are blue, looks blocks that are purple, and sounds blocks that are green, control blocks that are orange, and end blocks that are red. Now these are some characters. So we can select among the characters in your project and tap the plus sign to add a new one. Once the character is selected, you can edit its scripts, tap its name to rename it, tap the paintbrush to edit its image, or to delete a character, you can press and hold it. So this is the overview of all the colorful blocks. Now we can manipulate the characters and create animations using that.
Great start, team! We have taken our first step into the magical world of Scratch Junior. But there's so much to explore. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will delve into deeper Scratch Junior interface, discover cool programs, and unleash the full potential of this creative tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first to know when we are back with more adventures. Let's keep the creativity flowing.